On behalf of the Palaya staff ng buong Palaya po, we welcome you on our 14th year anniversary. Pinagpalayang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Pagka binigay niyo po ang whole heart ninyo and you work not unto men but you work unto God, panghawakan niyo yung pangako ng Diyos. The God that will see you doing your whole heart will reward you. Pinakamahalaga, samahan. Tapos pangalawa, you do your best. Give it your whole heart. Be fair, be generous. And I promise you, not me, just hold on to the promises of the Lord. Pagpapalain din kayo.
Pala, root word for pinagpala, laya, malaya, at aya, kaaya-aya. So when we say live palaya, everyone, we're actually saying live a life that is blessed, free, and beautiful. Dahil sa kanyang alay, ulitin ko, tayo ay may karapatan upang mabuhay ng pinagpala, malaya, kaaya-aya. Sana po tanggapin natin yung alay ng Ama na kanyang anak na makakapagbigay sa atin ng righteousness so that our prayer will be powerful and effective. Live palaya, everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you as always for your continued support and dedication to our cause. We hope to see you again in our next event for a bigger and bolder Palaya. Live Palaya, everyone. Thank you so much and happy 14th year anniversary Palaya. Thank you so much.
Happy 14th!